Hey guys, trust you're super well. Well, today we're doing something a little bit different. We've come to look at this body corporate complex that the team have just completed. Literally, they just completed it this week. So I thought I'd pop around and have a quick look around. Now, this site was very interesting. It has a lot of height issues. It's built 2 to 3 stories, but the difficult part is the sloping of the land. So it's a tight site, has angles, and there's height. And to add a bit more complexity to it, there was a full roof restoration. So let's go check it out. It's amazing what they've come up to. So during the project, you can see there's heaps of walls, doors, gutters, fascias. Like I said, the roof has got done, full exterior wash, all the preparation, and a 3-coat painting system. Now, the color scheme before was really dated and yellow. Now the clients, with the help of our color consultant, have chosen slightly more modern colors, but more importantly, colors that suit the environment, because you don't want to stand out where you live. So it looks fantastic. Well, what an amazing project. The colors look great. The roof looks absolutely amazing. The client is so over the moon with the final project. Now, if you're looking to change the color of your property, getting a paint job, or you just don't know where to start, feel free to find somewhere in the link below, reach out, give us a call. I'd love to be able to help you make the next step. Anyway, stay cool, be well, and as usual, see you in the interwebs. Bye-bye.